Listen here, bro. Listen here. If there's a person from Hermes Land Primary School in South Africa, I sing better than you. I can sing K-pop Demon Hunters better than you. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm gonna be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know, together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. You know, to get us Hawaiian. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm born to be. I'm real different, bro. You 9 years old and I'm 8 and I sing better, bro. That don't make sense, bro. That don't make sense. That do not make sense, bro. I'm I'm younger than you and I sing better than you. How does that make sense, bro? Well, that's the end of the day. If you find somebody, tag them in. If they're your friend, they go to Armstrong Primary School in South Africa, tag them still, bro. I need to see their reaction. I go to that school, they can't do nothing to me, bro. I just tell my dad. Peace out, my guys. Wait, one more thing. Guys, I made that because my last video was took down. I do not know why it was took down, but peace.